See that little girl going around and around?
Did she go around and around? Oh, look at that.
Do that, Daddy. Do that.
What do you want me to do?
And that.
Boop.
Look that little girl.
Look at her. She's going around and around.
She can get in the airport now.
Where's she going to go?
To Maine.
She's going to go to Maine? What's she going to eat there?
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk and what else?
That.
What kind of soup will she eat? What does Sal eat for her lunch? In one morning in Maine, what does she have for lunch? She helps her dad dig for clams, that's right. And then they have what? Clam.
Chowder.
Very good.